you guys are crazy. Sean, they want you to jump over me standing up. Now, boys and girls, real quick, before he does this, let me give you a little perspective, okay? This ramp is roughly 5 feet tall. And I am roughly 5 foot 9.5 inches tall with shoes. How high up in the air is that? 10 feet 9.5 inches. Boys and girls, if Sean's going to clear me, the bottom of his tires are going to have to be close to 11 feet off the ground, which means his body and his head is going to be 15, 16 feet off the ground. That is above the roof of your school, boys and girls, so I need you to make some noise, for me at least.